So, quick update from our job in Cumbernauld. Some of you might remember a couple of weeks ago we posted on the rip out. I'm just going to fix the camera again, give you a better view. So, let's start from the island. This is where I started last time. This wasn't here, but obviously now it is. And just to show you what I was talking about, if you do remember the last video, the centre line from this cabinet to run through, the lights all running bang on right through that centre. Worktops are planned to go in next week, and we're just waiting on the supplier to let us know the date for that. Hopefully Wednesday, that lets us finish off Thursday, Friday, and out of the customers here by the weekend to let them enjoy their new kitchen. So let's just go over it. 4-door island. The stone worktop is 900, this is 600 deep. So there'll be a 150 overhang at this side, 150 overhang at this side, for the option to have seats right round the island. Over to the main kitchen, look at that centre line which the kitchen's been designed round. We'll come round from the corner, from the tall. See, some of you might remember we were working on the floor because when this wall was removed, we had decoration marks here that obviously couldn't just be patched in, so we had to bring the flooring back and then bring it right back through again, matching in that urban oak, which is a really, really nice flooring actually. So we'll have the integrated fridge freezer, the oven underneath the microwave, that'll be a door, that'll be open. There will be the integrated machines, so we'll have doors over the top of there, and then we've got the ladder unit in the corner, which also houses the thermostat. Over to this side, we've got the doubled up wall units all scribed in, as we always do. Base unit cupboard space, we've got an 800 induction hob going in here. It's a downdraft extractor as well, which means no extractor needed at the top. The smoke gets pulled through the machine into a chimney and underneath the bottom. This part here into a cupboard space. We've got a cutlery drawers. As you can see, that champagne rail really goes with this graphite colour. It's unbelievable. This will all be cleaned out as well. The soft closing drawers. We'll have a sink in here. It's going to be an undermount sink, so that'll be fitted at the same time as the worktop. And then once that's done, all the inside will be made good to work around all the new plumbing, sink coming down, etc, etc. As you can see, very, very tidy plumbing from the plumbers, Chalmers Gas and Heating, who we use on all our jobs when they're available, and they're absolutely brilliant, so I highly recommend them to anybody that's looking for a plumbing company or a heating company. The electricians that we use, Swift Electrics, are also really, really on the ball. They are very attentive on their jobs, don't leave anything unturned, which is very important when you're planning and installing kitchens, because a mistake at the first fix can cause serious delays on the rest of the job. So yep, that's a base unit run there. Worktops are going to come up to the bottom of the cabinet here, so they'll come right up, and it'll come right up there, right along at this height. They'll come right along here as well. It'll come right into the window ledge, and there, matching the height. The electrics will all come through and be mounted on top of the stone worktops. So yeah, some cupboard space over here. Just looking back on that. We always keep all our off-cut panels. You never ever throw anything out with an edge. It's just because when you're putting things together again, all the making good inside the cabinets, that's very, very, very important, because you don't want to be looking for one piece to finish a job and then have to come back. So yeah, we keep a hold of everything. Undermount sink. The ovens were sent up from the supplier. This is actually the wrong model, so they're sending the new one up. That's why it's still in the box, so that it can go back without any issues. But yeah, all the doors still to go on, shelving for the ladder units. Yeah, quick update. We should be back next week and all completed. I'll give you a wee update then.